Hi everyone, me and my son here, my 4-year-old son Bryce, he's going to help us do this video. Say hi Bryce.
Hi Bryce.
Okay, he's got autism, so we're hoping this video goes smoothly.
I get pretzels.
You want some pretzels?
Okay.
Okay, we'll get you some pretzels. Let's show everybody how to put in this Whirlpool filter in the refrigerator, okay? This is the filter one that we got from Amazon, and we got a deal on it. It was like 20 bucks. Don't pull the camera, Bryce. Okay, and then normally these are at Home Depot for like 50, and so here it is out of the box. I don't know how I got such a good deal at Amazon, but I did. Sorry about that. Bryce has a cough. Alright, so we're taking the wrapper off. You don't have to turn your water off on this particular refrigerator. Take the cap off. And you'll see when I open it up, it's the cover. You can see the arrow has to be pointing in a certain direction. It automatically ejects the old filter.
Let's open the door.
Yeah, Bryce, Daddy, open the door. So here's the old filter. Okay, and then I have the new filter. It's got the arrow on the bottom. So I'm going to line that up. Now, what they don't tell you, see how the door comes back as you push it in? So basically use the door and push the filter in and give it a good push. Okay, it's in, snapped in. You'll get a little bit of water that comes out of the old filter. Just have a towel handy. And what my filter didn't come with directions, but what they don't tell you on the box is that they suggest flushing out 4 gallons of water.
Daddy, open the door.
Say hi, Bryce.
Hi Bryce.
So they suggest flushing out 4 gallons of water. I'm sorry, 4 gallons of water to get the air out of the system, so it can flow properly. So I probably won't do 4 gallons. I'll just probably do a couple of cups just to get the air out. That should be fine.
And then to go get your pen.
Yeah, okay, buddy. So thanks for watching, and me and Bryce, thank you, and hope you have a good day. We did it.
What? More.
You want to do more?
Okay,
All right.
take it back.
Okay, take it back. See ya.